Hey friends, Jill Stoppel Davis, owner of Excel Wellness Studio here in Overland Park, and today we are turning 16. Yep, April 1st. No kidding, not an April Fool's joke. But just want to come on here and thank you. I know a lot of small businesses don't have the opportunity to be open this long, and just super thrilled, and we know how blessed we are to still be thriving in this space for this long, 16 years later. So if you are a current client, if you're a past client, one of our amazing teammates or former trainers, or you've just hung out with us somewhere down the line, I want to thank you for your support. We know without your support, without your continued business, we wouldn't be able to come in and do what we love to do every day. And we're so grateful to still be doing things we love in the fitness industry. So we just appreciate you and our amazing community of followers. We have an awesome community that makes everyone feel welcome and a great place to come in and work on moving better. We love that we get to help you feel better and look better and go throughout your day more energized and all the other fun stuff we do here. So April is our birthday month. If you've been away for a while or you've been looking for a fitness home, we've got some great April birthday $16 specials and all kinds of things that you'll see in the bottom of this email or wherever you're seeing it, and then other information that comes out this month. I'm also going to be hosting a 5-day event at the beginning of May that you'll start hearing about this month. That's got a great message and a way that you can give back here to our local community. I'm very excited about that. So thank you for allowing us to continue to do what we love to do here at Excel, and we're so glad you're a part of it. Cheers to 16.